This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a tea garden model. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a sturdy base, some small plants like moss or succulents, and decorative items such as pebbles or miniature figures. Selecting the right container, perhaps a shallow tray or a wide bowl, is crucial for your design. Before you begin, take a moment to sketch out your vision. This helps in planning the placement of each element, ensuring a harmonious and beautiful miniature landscape. Now, let's build the foundation of our tea garden. Start by adding a layer of soil or a suitable growing medium to your chosen container. This layer should be about 2 to 3 inches deep, providing enough space for plant roots. Gently sculpt the soil to create subtle hills and valleys, giving your garden a natural, undulating landscape. You can also define small pathways using fine sand or tiny gravel, guiding the eye through your miniature world. With the landscape set, it's time to bring your garden to life with plants and decorations. Carefully plant your chosen miniature plants, such as small ferns or succulents, ensuring their roots are well covered. Think about scale when placing decorative elements like tiny rocks, a miniature bridge, or even a small pagoda. These details add character and tell a story. Remember to leave enough space between plants for them to grow and for the overall design to feel balanced. Finally, let's talk about caring for your new tea garden model. Watering should be done sparingly, perhaps once every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on your plants and environment. Most miniature gardens thrive in indirect light, so choose a spot away from harsh, direct sunlight. With minimal care, your beautiful, tranquil tea garden will provide a peaceful focal point in your home or office. Enjoy the serene beauty you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.